Hey guys, it's your boy Frank Alvan again, and I'm here with Tim with Autel Robotics with his, he's got some fancy schmancy information on their drone and on other little toys that's worth sharing, guys. Kind of blew my mind. So, Tim, first things first, I understand that your drone has a different sensor than other drones.
Sure, yeah.
Tell me about that for a second.
Yeah, definitely. So we're using a Sony sensor inside the Evo, but it shoots at 4K 60 frames a second and up to H.265. So we're future-proofing it a little bit with that possibility of going up to 10-bit on the video. So we're getting a much higher frame rate and a better quality out of it.
Now with H.265, that's I think HEVC, right?
Yes.
Okay, so explain to the viewers what's so different about H.265.
Sure. So right now, you're going to see the industry start to move towards H.265, where you can get 10-bit if it needs to, like you're looking at an image with a lot of different colors inside of it, or if you're just looking at a plain black and white background, you're going to be a lot more efficient and drop down to 8-bit.
So basically, H.265, it's a prettier picture. It just takes a little bit more computing power, but it's very, very pretty. Trust me, guys. So I already own 2 drones. Okay, I own, from the same company, but it's your competition.
Yeah.
Why would I want to jump ship and come with Autel Robotics?
Of course. So there's quite a few different reasons. So we have a new, fresh way of looking at the drone industry. First of all, things like the regulation-wise and no-fly zones. We've never included something like that, but we always try to inform people. With our Evo, right from the start as well, we always included a monitor built right into the controller. We still have over 4 miles of flight range, up to 30 minutes of flight time, and then also you can see it up in the air. So things like having an orange drone instead of something that blends into the cloud. So we do things a little bit different. We have US-based customer service. You can get a hold of us 7 days a week whenever something goes wrong, and we're really looking out for the customer, not trying to make a buck on that kind of thing.
Okay, so just recently we covered a story with Verizon over at the Grand Canyon. It was hard for me to show the police department what I was seeing on the drone as I was flying over. Now, apparently you have a sweet little toy that can help with something like that. Tell me about that.
Yeah, definitely. So here at CES 2019, we're actually showing off what's called the Live Deck. So it's a small wireless remote, basically, in a box with an HDMI port on it, an Ethernet cable port, and another USB port. So you can push out that video feed directly from the drone into another recorder or a TV at the same kind of range as what you're getting with the controller itself. So now you don't have to be tied to a command center. You can place your pilot where they need to be, and the people on the ground that are looking at that image and looking at the GPS data can make informed decisions when they need to.
Right, so like what we do is we do plenty of live shows, and we haven't been able to go with a drone due to multiple issues. Now, can this help me out in a situation like that? And here, the magic question, what is the latency, and if there is one?
Sure. So you're looking at about maybe 0.2 milliseconds of latency. It's the same as the remote.
So it's pretty fast.
It's very, very fast. So you're not going video feed from the drone to the remote and then to the live deck. It's coming directly from the drone itself.
Right.
So what you would normally see through the app or through the controller is the same you're getting off the live deck.
That's pretty interesting, man. Guys, we were here with Tim. Check him out, Autel Robotics, man. And I'll get more information and I'll send it to you guys. Peace, guys. Thank you. Thanks, Tim.